Ngwatanio ya Azimio itongoewe ni Raila Odinga niyatula muti Silikali ya Kenya Kwanza kwa kulikilla uthukumi wa Silikali cia mituuko na kulea kuinenge mwanya wa kuthukuma enenthi undu vailite. Mutongoi ainena kauntini ya Mombasa kavindani kala watwaaisyo kikalo na mangavana na anini mo ala masakuitwe huungwa ngwatanio ya Azimio ni wawetakana vena vata wailovia ila ivathia wa Silikali kuongelwa kuma kilungu cha 15 nginya kilungu cha 35 yulu wa yana. Tono mwandiku witu Angelina Mose ukuelezea.
Ngwatanio ya Azimio ni yathingithile vata wa Silikali ya Kenya Kwanza kweka kulikilla uthukumi wa mangavana ma ngwatanio ya Azimio indi kumanenga mwanya kutethia wia wo undu vailite ni kana kumwete enenthi maendeleo. Chelelo kinene na kuikithia kana Silikali cia mituuko ni ciavikia kwaila.
Whereas county governors are trying hard to discharge their duties as prescribed in the 2010 Constitution, the national government is on the other hand trying much harder to pull down their legs and suppress them. It is worth noting that devolution is the best thing that ever happened to the people of Kenya in terms of service delivery, hence the need for the strengthening, re-energizing, and well-funding. Governors should be given a free hand in the management of their affairs and the discharge of duties in their respective counties. The national government's role is to fund them as per the law and not to coerce governors into submission.
Raila ni wenda ilovia ile ivathia wa Silikali cia kaunti kuongelwa kuma kilungu cha 15 yulu wa yana nginya kilungu cha 35 yulu wa yana vala wawetakana ni makuvikia kuvicha ki ndini wa komiti ila yendesya unenania.
For devolution to be enhanced, we recommend that the allocation of resources to counties should be increased from the current 15 to a minimum of 35%. This proposal will be presented before the National Dialogue Committee sitting at the Bomas of Kenya for consideration.
Ingi Mutongoi ni wenda ilovia kunenganwa kavindani kala kailite kwe Silikali cia kaunti ni kana kwa ilia maundu ma mituuko vala wetakana vena vata wa Silikali kuvatha ilovia kuitenene kana Silikali cia kaunti ivikie kuanisya uthukumi maunduni ma uiti waki wa masoko na industrial parks.
The national government should release funds allocated to county governments in time for the effectiveness and efficiency in service delivery. This will go a long way in averting industrial actions by the workers and end up slowing down delivery of service to the people. 3, that there is need to amend the County Governments Act to have money allocated for the counties released on time to stop the current bureaucratic requirements where governors and officials from counties travel to Nairobi in the name of pushing for approval of their requisitions. That the national government should respect the Constitution and stop meddling in the affairs and functions of county governments. They should desist from the current interference in the mandate of devolved functions such as distribution of fertilizer, construction and opening of markets, health sector, and commissioning of industrial parks.
Kavindani kama Mutongoi ni wawetakana nima kukwata mba unenenye ula uende kati wa Silikali ya Kenya Kwanza na Ngwatanio ya Azimio aiwetakana vena vata wa maundu alama kumuna mwenendi kunengwa ivuso ye mwanya ndini wa unenania u.
We want the talks to be people-centered, focused, and that there must be a show of commitment by all parties. Even as talks go on, we shall continue to pursue justice for the victims of police brutality during our peaceful demonstrations.
Uwoka kavindani kala ngwatanio Azimio yatwaaisyo kikalo mwanya na mangavana ndini wa ngwatanio vala kuenana na Mutongoi aingi malalamikia kulikililwa kwa uthukumi huo ni Silikali ya Kenya Kwanza.
Governors and deputy governors present made presentations about financial challenges and bottlenecks they encounter as they discharge their constitutional duties. The biggest problem in the country today is the high cost of living, over-taxation, increase in fuel prices, and unemployment. It is worth noting that the financial problem the country is facing has led to the stagnation of the projects in the counties due to the delayed reimbursement of money by the national government.
Ripoti ya vilingi wa mauvo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa ni itawa Angelina Muse.